Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Unfolded. Today we are not going to study anything about entrance exam topics, but we are going to see what the exam actually has in it. So this entrance GUART is conducted by which branch? Who conducts it? What is the purpose? That is all what we are going to see in this video. Hope that you all will like it. Disclaimer: this video is not any career guidance video. This video is just meant to give viewers information about the entrance exams in Goa to those who are not aware of. This information is true to all my knowledge. All the best. So GUART, basically it stands for Goa University Admissions Ranking Test for MSc and B.Ed entrances across the state. It's held by the School of Chemical Sciences, Goa University. It's actually a combined exam both for MSc as well as B.Ed programs. And the rank list for both the courses come separate. So whenever you are enrolling, you need to know the purpose for which you are enrolling. Actually, you are allowed to enroll for both, that is for MSc entrance as well as B.Ed. But while choosing, you have to choose only one, that is either MSc or B.Ed. So what happens actually is, while filling the form, you can fill for both the purposes. The syllabus also is the same. The date of answering is also the same. But then the rank list comes separate. Okay. So while filling the form, you need to fill for both. You have to pay the separate amounts in both the cases. Okay. So, and it is allowed for students of third year, especially it's allowed to fill in both the cases, that is MSc and B.Ed. But while taking admissions, you have to take for only one. Then if you see MSc, then you will say which college do you get admissions in. You get at Goa University in 4 specializations, that is physical, organic, inorganic and analytical. There is another branch of chemistry, that is pharmaceutical chemistry, that is also available in DMS College, Asakam. Now the difference between studying in a Goa University or government university as compared to private university is nothing much. It's only related to the cost factor. Okay, Goa University and government colleges, they have less cost factor, that is just around 20,000. But private colleges, they have fees of around a lakh. Then coming to B.Ed courses, there are 3 colleges in Goa which offer you B.Ed course after this entrance exam. That's Nirmala Institute of Education, GVMs and PES. Again here also, considering GVM, Nirmalas and PES has comparatively higher fee structure as compared to Nirmalas and GVMs. And also in all these courses, either for MSc and for B.Ed, there is always a reservation kept in mind. Okay, there are reservations for EWS, OBC, SC, ST, other states. So keep in mind. So main focus of yours should not be kept on the reservation. You should always aim to achieve the best. So study to the best. For the third year students, those who do not know where to go, what to do, should I do B.Ed or should I do masters, that is up to you. Y'all can fill your admission forms for both, entrance forms for both courses, that is masters as well as your B.Ed, and then choose which subject you want to go through. Okay. So for bachelors in education, the subjects which you can choose being a chemistry student is science and math. Hope you like the video. If you like, please share it among your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.